We still have one more guest related to this whole topic. So if you'll stick around, we have a little clip and Linda Smith coming up. We'll be right back.
This is Health First Medical, so come on in.
Well, hello. My name is Ronald Crowell. I'm the owner and medical director of Health First Medical Group. We are a practice that has been located here in Santa Fe Springs for 22 years. We are an occupational medicine practice where we take care of workers who become injured or ill in the workplace. Occupational medicine is one of the most demanding practices because of the state requirements for reporting and documentation. To help us do this, we have invested considerably in the latest technology. We have installed a data management system that allows us to actually have a paperless office. No more handwritten notes, no more written charts. Everything is captured digitally. The doctor walks in the examination room with a tablet and actually records the history and physical findings and everything else right directly on the tablet. Complementing the computerized data management system is our computerized digital x-ray system. Our radiologist now doesn't have to come and pick up x-rays. They just go into the internet and the x-rays are all loaded there waiting for the radiologist to see and to interpret. So we're in a new world of providing service. It allows us to be more efficient, to transmit information more reliably to all the people who need it. So we are highly dedicated. It's what we do. We think we have a revolutionary practice here in terms of putting together quality people and quality systems. We are Health First Medical Group. We participate in the communities that we serve. We deal with educational programs, scholarship programs, mentoring programs, all sorts of opportunities where we can give back to the communities. We've been here 22 years and look forward to another 22 years. I'm Dr. Crowell, Medical Director. It's been a pleasure visiting with you. Thank you.
Our next guest is Linda Smith from the Health First Medical Group, one of the Cerritos Chamber of Commerce members. So, Linda, welcome to the show.
Thank you, Jim. Happy to be here.
Oh, great, great. Well, can you give us a brief overview of what Health First, what their kind of responsibilities are?
Health First is the city doctor for 7 cities in this area, including Cerritos, Artesia, Santa Fe Springs, and many, many more. Our primary mission is to provide high-quality industrial medical care for injuries that you might get at work. And also, now we are offering urgent care because we know that these are kind of challenging economic times, unfortunately. And there's a growing need for people to have another local resource that they could count on when they have some illness or injury that happens at home. So we are opening our doors to serve people in that way as well.
Excellent. So it sounds like primarily Health First deals with like workplace accidents, like if someone got hurt on the job, then they would be referred specifically to that doctor. But now you have opportunities where if someone got hurt on a Saturday and their primary care physician isn't open, they could visit the clinic to receive care.
Exactly. I think it's so important, whatever your mission is, to look at the people you serve and pay attention to what their needs are and how they're changing, and that's kind of what led us to today.
Excellent. Now, are there more locations than the Cerritos office, or spread out through some of those other communities?
Well, we have 2 locations. They're both zoned in Santa Fe Springs. One is in Pioneer and Telegraph Road,
okay,
and the other one serves more of the Cerritos and that southern area, and that is on Imperial Highway in Carmenita.
Oh, excellent, excellent. Well, yeah, very close by.
And we do this 24 hours a day, 365 days a year.
Well, I guess because sickness knows no calendar.
Unfortunately, that's true.
I know. When does it take holidays?
When does it take holidays?
You know, sickness.
It doesn't play any favorites, I'll tell you that.
I like you. You're a smart cookie, Linda. What kind of stuff, that was a poorly worded question. What are some of the things that you have to manage with healthcare first?
In my job?
Yes.
Oh, I have a great job. I get to work with people all day long, and it's very challenging. No day is the same. Primarily, I'm concerned with making sure that we have done a good job in the eyes of the people we serve, and that we communicate with them, we stay in touch with them, they get the information they need, and that things go smoothly from the patient's point of view and the employer's point of view.
So really ensuring a quality from the care, that people felt like they were cared for.
Absolutely. Medicine can be a very serious business. Yeah. So you want to bring a positive perspective and remember that you're treating people.
Yeah, it does seem, I remember hearing something on the radio recently that it seems like the whole healthcare industry has really drifted away from like being patient driven, because insurance companies have really kind of strangled healthcare. And that maybe people don't feel, they just feel like they're another patient. They don't feel like they're a person when they're in that, physician's office. So it's great to hear that Health First is looking to kind of go back to some of those foundational.
Yeah, you just have to remember that you have to keep trying and keep your focus on the person.
Excellent, excellent. Now, how long has Health First been involved with the Cerritos Chamber of Commerce?
Oh, many, many years. We've been members for many years, and we really enjoy working with them. They provide a very strong relationship with the community, and they have wonderful projects, and one of the ways we work together is mentoring youth. That's a major, major purpose that we exist for. We look for, we mentor, we train youth from the communities we serve, and we invite young people if they think they're interested in medicine. Medicine is so varied, Jim, that we love to show them what we have, what they might consider for the future, and in a lot of cases, we give some young people their very first opportunity.
Excellent.
And that's the most important thing, to give someone a chance.
Absolutely, give them that first chance to experience something that maybe they're interested in. Being a middle school teacher, and you ask students what they want to be, and inevitably the slew of them will say a doctor, right? And it's usually financially generated. I want to be a neurosurgeon, and they probably have no idea the schooling and dedication and really what that job entails. Maybe they're still interested in that field, but they don't realize that there's 90 other jobs related to the medical industry that they just don't even know exist if they could get an opportunity to get in there and see that there's so many other ways that they could help people or be involved in the medical industry without being a neurosurgeon. That there's so many other great chances. So it's fantastic to hear that students don't always just have to have their first job at McDonald's, that they could go work, at a medical office and get some other, work experience that way too.
Well, with every young person who comes through, we show them every single department we have. We take them through both clinics. We give them a pretty good exposure.
Excellent. Well, Linda, it's been awesome to have you on the show, and great to meet you.
Thank you so much. We appreciate the opportunity, and we thank the Chamber and the Cerritos schools for allowing us to be here.
Excellent. Well, you're very welcome, and maybe we'll see you again sometime.
You bet.